The above is wordy, repetitive, and hard to follow. Let's ask Copilot to make it concise. It starts off with, our team was able to accomplish a number. Pause the video and read the paragraph yourself. I will also put this text in the description of the video you're currently watching. The next step is to highlight this text and then click onto here, and this will appear. And it's just a case now of putting the prompt in here. And you can see the prompt I've entered says, make this paragraph more concise. You then click here and wait for Copilot to respond with its output. And you can see the output appears here. It's now a question of simply clicking on keep it. I've scrolled to the top so we can see both of the paragraphs side by side. I would recommend that you pause the video in a moment and read both. But you should see that this paragraph is obviously smaller than this. But if you read this one, you will see it actually contains all of the information that this one was trying to convey. But it does so here in a more concise and less repetitive way, making it much easier to follow and understand. I will also add the more concise paragraph to the description of the video that you're looking at, and it'll allow you to compare both paragraphs, and you can see the advantage of using Copilot to produce more concise text.